Welcome back to Thesaurus Thrive, your ultimate destination for expanding your vocabulary and deepening your understanding of the English language. Today, we're exploring a truly remarkable word, ingenuity. So, what does ingenuity mean in English? Simply put, ingenuity refers to the quality of being clever, original, and inventive. It signifies the ability to solve problems or create things in new and innovative ways. According to various dictionaries, ingenuity is defined as the skill or cleverness in devising or combining. It's about using creativity and resourcefulness to overcome challenges. Now, let's dive into some synonyms for ingenuity. Words like creativity, inventiveness, resourcefulness, and originality are all synonymous with ingenuity. Each of these words highlights a different aspect of what it means to be ingenious. For example, creativity emphasizes the ability to generate new ideas, while resourcefulness focuses on the ability to find quick and clever ways to overcome difficulties. Understanding these synonyms can help you appreciate the nuances of ingenuity and use it more effectively in your language. That's our exploration of ingenuity. Expanding your vocabulary is a wonderful way to enhance your communication skills and express yourself more precisely. Thanks for watching Thesaurus Thrive. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful videos.